Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Weber Searwood Pellet Grill with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here we are at Weber headquarters for an overview of the new Searwood Pellet Grill. Most pellet grills are unable to reach high grilling temperatures, but Weber's previous models have been the exception. They are at once great smokers and great grills. Weber assures us Searwood continues this legacy with a temperature range of 180 degrees to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Like all Weber pellet grills, Searwood doesn't have a typical flat drip plate under the cooking grates. Searwood's plate is similar to the V-shaped flavorizer bars over the burners of their gas grills. This open architecture allows radiant heat from the burning wood pellets below to effectively sear foods while bathing them in smoke. Slotted vents on the large flavorizer bar allow additional air circulation. Other factors contribute to Weber pellet grill's high temperature performance: the controller and fan system, and the solid cast aluminum body. Weber believes the aluminum body retains heat and doesn't warp at high temps. A consequence of the open area around the V-shaped plate is that grease can drop down to the bottom, right by the fire pot, a potential fire hazard. Weber believes they address this issue by adapting the pull and clean design of their gas grills that diverts grease and gunk into a pull-out tray that empties into a removable grease pan. The fire pot is easily removed by loosening these wing nuts. To clean it out, or change the glow plug that ignites the pellets. A diffuser goes on top, fits into this notch so you don't get placement mixed up. Plated steel cooking grates, Searwood has an optional rotisserie, double-walled hood for heat retention. There's the thermostat that feeds info to the control system. Searwood has the Weber Connect Wi-Fi controller and app. 2 meat probe inputs here and tool hooks. And here's their easy access maintenance panel. This panel flips open. Just remove these 2 screws to get at all the controls. And this is quite different from the earlier Weber models that positioned the pellet hopper in the back. Searwood relocates the hopper to the common placement off to the side. There's a slide-open pellet chute to empty the hopper. And that's about it for now. We're eager to test Searwood and see how it compares with its predecessors. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.